Ah, the student. As usual, he wakes early for breakfast and a morning stroll. He plugs in his OnePlus 6 to refuel for the day ahead, piecing together the last few days from the evidence of gig tickets, stained shirts, and half-eaten kebabs. Fast-forwarding through his morning rituals, primal instincts come to the fore with his fellow tribe members and furry friend, thankfully captured in cinematic slow motion for a snappy share. While making tracks to uni, the gaming mode allows him to play in peace without unwanted disturbances, such as calls from a doting mother. The split-screen feature enables his short attention span to flit between his lecturer and things more important to survival, like continuing the search for a mate. At a social gathering, he makes good use of the dual camera to capture memorable moments and to take hilarious selfies with plumage naturally on fleek. Once again, the journey of this young male never settles, ending where it began with a valiant attempt to maintain the image of a model student whilst persisting in his quest for tomfoolery and tribal crusades.